Hello everyone, welcome to the QMS channel, your one-stop destination to master quality management system and build a culture of excellence in your organization. A QMS is a structured framework of policies, processes and procedures that help an organization consistently meet customer requirements and improve continuously. It's not just about ticking boxes or passing audits, it's about delivering quality every time. I'm Pankaj Rai, a quality management professional with 9 years of experience in developing, implementing, and managing comprehensive quality management systems. A lead auditor of ISO 9001, my background includes a robust focus on ISO standards, including ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, 13485, WHO GMP, CGMP, RAP, and IATF 16949-2016 across the various industries. So if you are a quality professional, business owner, student, or just someone passionate about doing things better, hit that subscribe button.